Hi, this is Carrie with Steelwoods Market, and I'm packing orders here this morning. And I just wanted to say, sometimes your orders get me so inspired. So I'm cutting out the Swan orders this morning with the lasers. As many of you know, I work by myself in between my schedules and stuff. I load everything by myself into the websites and package orders, do all the things. So these are the free gifts. One of these little cute garden stakes are going in the packages. There's a variety of styles. So anyhow, what I'm coming on for is you guys give me so much inspiration because I'm packing an order here and I'm like, oh, stone effect paste. And of course, in the cream that's out in my inventory, this customer is ordering this. But as I'm thinking, I'm like, oh, all the new brocante powders I have and the crackles, the new ones. I do still have some of the Maja memory ones. Unfortunately, I'm not able to carry that line anymore. It comes overseas from Greece and it's just not working out. So I have a little inventory of that left. I ask that you message me if that was something that you loved, the Maja memories or the Nick art. Message me because I'm not able to carry it. It's just not feasible. So, but Pentart, I'm able to get some replica. Some items I found are very similar to that, and it's with the Pentart. So, but anyways, my point of coming on is I get so inspired. Can you imagine putting this transfer images, some of this on these? I'm wondering if that's what this customer is thinking, because like that would be absolutely gorgeous. And then of course, this would be so cute. But then someone ordered the patina effect set, which I love the patinas. As if you follow me, you know I do lots with patina. But can you imagine the patina swan? Like, I think I need to make one as soon as I get time to create. I need to take one of these little swans, maybe the big one, I don't know, but put some patina on it, and then like maybe some of these florals. That would be a fun project. So but basically I just wanted to come on and say thank you for the orders. I'm busy working, getting the orders packaged up, laser pieces cut, all the IOD sales that went this weekend. I'm getting them all packaged up. I sold lots of these velveteen stamps. Oh, you know what else? This new Mara stencil is really pretty. Can you imagine that being stenciled onto one of these? That would be pretty. Anyhow, I just wanted to hop on and say, because when I saw this as I was pulling them from the inventory for a customer's orders, I'm like, oh, that would be really pretty. Thank you guys for all the orders. Your goodies are on their way. And today is Monday. I'm going to go ahead and extend the IOD sale that I have going on. It's where if you purchase any 2 IOD, it can be from the molds, stamps, transfers, or paint inlays. Any 2, $5 is going to come off your order. You order 3, $10 is coming off. And all orders are getting a little garden stake added to the order. And then if you reach $100, you get free shipping and an extra special surface. I have a variety cut, but an extra special surface added to your package. You guys have a great day. Thanks.